radio section.
Hey, yo. Welcome. I'm so glad you are here. Gather your friends because a new pack has landed. We just got the Avant samples pack. It's the Freaky pack. It goes hard, man. I just used this pack to make a super sick drop, intro, build up. I'm going to show you how I made everything. Plus, this full project will be available in my Patreon. So make sure you get that if you want it. Makes everything easy. Check it out. I'm going to go through everything here. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what you want next. Let's go ahead and listen to what we got so far.
Problems, bitch.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It only took me like really 2 to 3 hours to make this, and I kind of want to show you how I made the structure, all of these basses, and basically you need to see the types of basses we got going on here. So let's dive into the drop first. Now this sound basically started everything. So this is the Freaky Bass 06. Now this is like a long, like growly type of bass that we're using in this section, but we resample it and then we make it into this bass. So like with this one at the end of it, so like I resampled this, like, and I got this tail end, and we made it short and we chopped it up like this. But first, to make this sound really loud, fat, we got post-processing here. What we got is the patch, dry. Once again, Freaky Bass 6, easy. These are one of the Serum presets. The pack does have presets for Serum. It has Midi, and it also has lots of samples in one shot, so it's pretty full, pretty stacked. Only used like 4 patches in this video, but there's a lot more patches you can look through. It sustains. With the sound, we add a loud rack right away. This is Dripment Loud 1. My packs are available for purchase in my Gumroad. You can find that in the description if you need loud racks or any other racks like that. We then use this EQ to start cleaning. So that's before. This after. Taking out all the lows, taking out some of these mids, cleaning it up. We use a saturator to add harmonics and make it louder. 6 decibels gain. Very clean. The convolution reverb next. This is the hybrid reverb. A short decay on convo. Dry wet 22%. This is clean reverb. Very in a tight space. And then this reverb thrower. So we automate the dry and wet. And basically, we use it in this phrase over here. We'll listen to how I use it. This is what it sounds like, by the way. Little reverb throws. So it's like adding space. Oh, yeah, so that is this. This is like kind of the patch I started with. But if you see here, there's a downbeat. So when... This is a pre-drop.
You don't want no problems, bitch.
So when it starts, this is the call, right? So the call is going to be this bass, which is Freaky Bass 20. The easy clean rack, a little bit of EQ saturator, and some amp. This is Freaky Bass 20. So this is going to be layered with these chords on the downbeat to create a nice fat down. little space, and then we have this long. We go from long bass to fast, tight. And then it basically just repeats in the next phrase. This right here is 4 bars. When you resample, you simply just get a new audio track. Go over here, hit resampling, solo this, record this. And then once you grab, like this for example, you can grab little pieces and you can chop it up. And that's what I did right down here. So when we chop it up, we chopped it up into a fast rhythm with used and utilized the fades. You see, you can move these fades, which shapes the sound. And then on top of that, we add more post-processing. So we get it louder with harmonics, 8 decibels on saturator. Before, after. Huge difference. And then we add the hybrid reverb again, convolution, short decay, adding clean reverb, and then cutting out some lows right here with the EQ. This is cool, but this is like the bass that's occupying the mono space. What's in the middle? What we need to do is add something that's on the side, kind of make it full. This is our response. This is the main bass, the climax of the song. We're going to layer it. This is the next layer. So I duplicated this, which looks like this, and we added some extra stuff to the end. The extra stuff we added was a serum effect. If you hear, this is like a rhythmy type of sound, and the way we achieve this is by using the delay on high feedback, link mode on, with short timing. So you can go from like 12 all the way up to like 27. I choose 18 on this. This off, on. Adding really nice tones, cool metallic tones. And then we add this rack, the easy sides. So this is going to be mono turned all the way down. Here, mono turned down, mid sides on. We go to the sides and then we cut the lows on the sides. We add Haas effect, which makes the sides wide, got wide sides. And then we add enhanced stereo with this Acon digital multiply, which just adds more stereo width. Once again, this is the wide layer, the tonal wide layer that we're creating here. You can kind of see what it looks like in the imagery. We combine that with this. And that combines with the sub down here, which is playing the same exact note. The sub's playing D. These are also playing D notes. If you look at this, this is also a D note. So like that's the root note of this song, so keeping it all at D during the drop. So that's nice. That's fun. Easy work right there. We have some other audio samples coming in. So there's some one-shots that you can utilize, like these or these. I'm kind of using these on the downbeat and these on the offbeat. So this is like adding more support in the next phrase, while I'm also riding a sustain bass. This one's cool. This is the Freaky Bass 19. Sussy. Very nice. We use a shifter to kind of change the tone with the fine knob. We of course had the loud rack on it. Put my loud one. And then EQ8, just cleaning it up. I'm going to accompany OTT to make it loud. Off. On. Listen to this phrase with everything. Sick. All right, cool. So you can easily use these one shots. I just add the loud racks to them, make them loud, get them pumped up, get them fit in the mix. You kind of see I'll move them to the right to kind of fit them within the stereo image as well. So this is like kind of to the right. This is to the right, while these chill in the middle, kind of spreading things out. Very cool. We also have some extra chugs. This is from like the Resurrect video, for example, my old videos, and this is the Noosphere video. If you guys want to watch those and get those basses. more supporting basses, right? Basses that just help guide the rhythm, guide the flow, and keep it dancing. Pretty simple here. If you see, these chords are from D minor MIDI loop. So in the pack, there are some MIDI loops. We use these to make the intro. I would layer these like pads, strings, and then like create a melody on top of that. It's on D minor, so this D minor harmony can easily transition into the D root note bass drop that goes on during the drop. So it creates cohesion, makes it easy. Man, I'm surprised with how fast I made something with this pack. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get this pack in the description below. It's the Freaky Avant pack. If you support them, you also support me. I am an affiliate. And don't forget, join the Discord, make some friends, ask some questions, and learn how to produce even faster. Let's get down. Subscribe if you're new. Have a good night. Peace out. Later.